Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to allow automatic downloads for all media types on WhatsApp Web for PC. With the latest update, you can now easily set up your WhatsApp Web to automatically download photos, audio, videos, and documents. This feature saves you time and ensures you never miss important media shared in your chats. Let's dive into the simple steps to enable this convenient feature. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and using the latest version of the web application. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with various icons. Find and click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. After clicking on Settings, a new menu will appear. From this menu, locate and click on the Chats option. This will open up a submenu with various chat-related settings. In the Chats submenu, you'll find an option called Media Auto Download. Click on this to access your media download preferences. Now, you'll see a list of different media types: photos, audio, videos, and documents. To allow automatic downloads for all media, simply check the boxes next to each of these options. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automatic downloads for all media types on WhatsApp Web. From now on, when someone sends you a photo, audio file, video, or document, it will be automatically downloaded and ready for you to view or listen to without any extra steps. Remember, this feature can be particularly useful if you frequently use WhatsApp for work, or if you're part of groups that share a lot of media. However, keep in mind that automatic downloads might consume more data and storage space on your computer. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope you find this feature helpful in streamlining your WhatsApp web experience. Don't forget to adjust these settings according to your preferences and needs. Happy chatting!